Welcome back everybody. Well, today we're going to be drawing a 3D paper plane. You are going to need a rubber, fine liner, fine rubber, smudge stick, blue Sharpie, B pencil, standard pencil, charcoal pencil, ruler and scissors. So let's get to it. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to fold our A4 paper in half to make it A5, like so. Then we're going to split it down the middle, leaving the rough edge to the top. Now take your ruler and put it at the top of the paper at a slight angle, and we're going to draw 15 centimetres across. Now find the centre of your line and draw a line down the middle, and then we're going to join up the top left hand corner to the line at 11 centimetres, or roughly around 11 centimetres on both sides. Now measure down from the top right hand corner 4.5 centimetres, just put a little marking there, and then go to the bottom and measure up 4 centimetres and put a mark in there. Now we're going to go over to the top left hand point and we're going to join the two up. First we're going to do the bottom left wing, like so, then we're going to do the top wing. Now go to the right hand point of the bottom left wing and draw down vertically 3 centimetres. Go to the bottom of the top wing and join them up together, like so. Now go to the point at the top and you're going to join from the tip of the paper plane down to the bottom crease. But you only want to join the bit you can see, which is from the bottom crease to the back of the wing. So just do a little line in here, don't draw all the way through. Parallel to the wing, drawing lines that get closer and closer. Try to keep them parallel, but as you can see, they will actually decrease in width as they get to the tip. Then turn your page around again, and now we're going to draw in the lines that will be in the fold that will meet up with the top right hand wing. But these are going to be at a slight angle, so as you draw them, just come out a little bit each time, like so, and they're going to finish in the middle of the left wing gaps. So every line should be in the middle of a left wing gap pretty much. I'm just making some reference points there, and then I'll use the ruler to go over them, just to make sure it looks okay. Something like that. Get your fine liner and go around the plane. The one point I could mention to you is maybe don't put the fine liner around the bottom edge of the top wing because we're going to highlight there. Now get your blue Sharpie and go over all of your pencil lines. And there we go. It should look something like this. Now take your time and carefully draw in with the ruler and your Sharpie the lines that join up into the fold. With your black Sharpie, colour in this triangular fold here. Get your B pencil and we're going to shade in the crease or the fold where there would be natural shadow. There we go, it's looking good. So now what we're going to do, we're actually going to shade in the wings as well, because there needs to be a contrast between the paper background and the paper plane. So get your B pencil and just go over the whole of the wings with a nice even shading. Grab your smudge stick and blend it all in. It's really coming on now. Now get your B pencil and we're going to add some deeper and darker shading in that crease. And then blend with your smudge stick. I'm just cleaning up a little bit of mess I've made with my rubber. Get your black Sharpie, and what we're going to do is we're going to draw a line along the bottom left-hand wing here, and we're going to draw another line along the back top right wing here. And as you can see, it really helps it to stand out. Now get your fine line rubber and we're going to add the highlights. And once you've done that, grab your charcoal pencil and we're going to add the really, really deep shadows in to that fold. And then we're going to use the good old smudge stick to gently blend from the bottom upwards. We're going to draw in our shadow now, so I would say come down from the bottom bit of the fold to about where the tip of the wing is, about there, and we're going to just draw a few strokes along a triangular shape and then blend with your smudge stick. Draw a smaller triangle in the middle with your charcoal pencil and then blend. And I'm blending from the inside out really. Now draw a horizontal line across the paper around about here, I would say about 4 centimeters down or so. Making sure not to go through the plane like that. We're also going to draw 2 lines down the side of the paper at a slight angle to give perspective. So if you mark in probably around 2 centimeters at the top on each side and on the other side. And then we'll go to the bottom and we're going to draw a line at an angle around about, say, 1 centimeter from the bottom. And mark 1 centimeter on the other side. Just keeps it nice and symmetrical. Then we can join the lines up like that. And now we're going to cut out all the way round our lines and our paper plane at the top here. Let's get cutting. Do any last minute touching up, finishing off or rubbing out with your rubber. And let's admire the finished result. Well, I think it looks pretty good. Thanks so much for watching everybody, and please come back for another 3D Illusion art tutorial soon.